Many day-to-day information is best summarised in tables. Now this is the kind of table that really is a read-off what I might see on, say, SBS News. Maximum minimum temperature. Scanning through that, clearly Melbourne had the highest temperature for that day, 25 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature, now remember when we get to the negatives, it's the most negative that we're interested in here. Now maximum -10, there was also a -21. Well, that's pretty cold, so it's definitely Moscow. Range of temperatures from Melbourne, well, Melbourne went from 12 to 25. Or a difference of 13 degrees Celsius doing a subtraction. The greatest range of temperatures for that day, well, that's a little bit more complex. I've got to do a bit of thinking here and looking at the particular contrasts and temperatures we've got. So greatest range, so it's a difference of 8, a difference of 9, difference of 8. Moscow, 11 degrees difference, and Helsinki, it's still Melbourne because it went from 12 to 23. The smallest temperature range, well, Helsinki only varied between -4 to -5. In other words, 1 degree Celsius difference. In question 3, we're looking at a tabulated summary distance table. This type of thing you can find on many tourist maps of Tasmania. So between Launceston and Hobart, I've got Launceston there, Hobart there, 200 kilometres. Where they cross will give me that figure. Single longest drive there, we're looking just for the biggest number. Looks like Burnie to Port Arthur. Two places are the closest in this diagram table. What looks like Burnie and Devonport. 61 kilometres. Now Peter travels from Port Arthur to Swansea before heading on to Burnie. So we've got two sets of distances to consider. So Port Arthur to Swansea. So notice here Port Arthur doesn't cross. So I've actually got to go Swansea to Port Arthur, 187, plus she then moves on from Swansea to Burnie. So Swansea to Burnie, 271. And that will give her a total of 458 kilometres that she travels. Now I'll let you try Part E by yourself now.